Today, I'm going to give you my 10 best tips to get better results with your Facebook ads for e-commerce. That's coming up. Welcome back. I hope your week's off to a great start. And today, I get to talk about something that I love, Facebook ads. Been running Facebook ads for multiple years for e-commerce, for online courses, for all different things. And so I'm excited today to give you my 10 best tips to improve your Facebook ads performance. I think it's going to be really helpful. So let's dive in. Number one, don't boost posts. Always use Facebook Ads Manager. This is so frustrating as a Facebook ads marketer, and it's something I see all the time, and I've seen it for years. I still see it to this day. It's when people boost posts from their Facebook page and they don't actually use Facebook Ads Manager to run their ads. This is like the cardinal sin of running Facebook ads if you talk to any experienced marketer. So listen, always use Facebook Ads Manager. Just trust me, it's completely different. Use Facebook Ads Manager to run your ads. Number two, make sure your Facebook pixel is installed on your website. This is another thing I've seen for years, and it just hurts my brain to know that people are doing it, and it's just not installing your pixel before you run ads. The pixel is one of the keys to having success with Facebook ads, but yet so many people are running ads without having a pixel even installed. The Facebook pixel is what allows Facebook to go out and find the people that you want to target. If you're, trying to find people who are going to purchase your product, well, the pixel is what collects all the data and weeds through it to find those people that are likely to come and buy your product or click on your ad. So make sure before running ads that you always have the pixel installed. Number three, always direct your ads to your product page for the product you're selling and not the front of your store. Another mistake I see all the time, people are running their ads to the front of their e-commerce store where there's just probably a bunch of products or an about me or just banners, and that's not going to result in good conversion for your ads. When somebody clicks on your ad, you want them to go straight to the product page where they can make a purchase quickly. So always send your ads to the product page of your website. Number four, always let your ads run for at least 4 to 7 days before making any changes to them. You have to allow the Facebook algorithm and the pixel at least 4 to 7 days to optimize your ads and to improve your ads and to try to get them to the right people. When you first start an ad, Facebook doesn't know, who inside of that audience that you're targeting is actually going to respond to your ad. So it takes about 4 to 7 days for the algorithm to optimize and for your ads to improve in performance as you go. So always make sure you wait 4 to 7 days before doing anything to your ads. Hey, if you're getting value today, if you're learning something about Facebook ads, would you please hit that like button? It helps us in the YouTube algorithm. We get discovered more in search, and our channel's been growing like crazy lately. So I also want to ask you to subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss a video when we put them out. Every Tuesday we put out new videos, and you can also hit that little bell icon. That way you get notified when a new video comes out. Number five, don't make any edits if you can avoid it. Now, sometimes you have to edit an ad. You saw a typo or you saw something you needed to change, but if you can avoid it, don't make any edits. Edits will reset everything about your ad. It erase all the engagements, the likes, the comments. It will reset the learning phase for the Facebook algorithm and the pixel. So if you can avoid making edits, just leave your ads alone, let them run. Number six, test at least 3 images, videos, and ad copy variations. One of the worst things you can do is just run one ad and hope that that one's going to be the one that wins. With Facebook ads and with marketing in general, you have to test a lot of different things. So I recommend at least 3 different versions of an image, a video, and 3 different versions of ad copy. So write a few different ads and duplicate your ads and have different variations. That's going to allow Facebook to go and find which one is going to work the best, and it's going to give you a lot better results than just relying on one image or one version of your ad copy. Number 7, which is closely related, is test more than one audience. Don't just go out and target one, audience. Try different kinds of targeting. Try targeting different people, different job titles, demographics, different interests. You're going to have to try some things to actually find what works or find where your audience is. Number 8, always optimize for conversions. Now, this isn't like you don't have to always optimize for conversions. There are scenarios where you might want to optimize for something different, but especially if you're a beginner or in e-commerce specifically, pretty much all the time you want to optimize for purchases. What that means is when you run an ad, you're telling Facebook to go find the people that will make a purchase on your website. And so optimizing for purchases allows Facebook to do that. And it tells Facebook, I want purchasers. And I think we all can agree the point of running these ads is we want to make money. So we want Facebook to go find people that are likely to make a purchase. So optimize for purchases. Number 9, spend a minimum of at least $10 per day on each audience. Now, years ago, we used to test with $5 per day, or I've even seen strategies where people test with $1 per day. But in today's world, in today's market of Facebook ads, I think you need to spend at least $10 per day on any given audience to get enough data within 4 to 7 days to actually know whether your ad is working or not. You can go as low as $5, but when you spend $5 per day, it's just going to take a really long time to know if that ad is working or not. You might have to let it run 10 days and still only $50, or 20 days is going to give you $100. And really, I like to spend at least $70 to $100 to know if an ad is good or not. So I like to test with at least $10 per audience per day. Number 10 tip to get better results with your e-commerce Facebook ads: include a call to action or a discount in your ad copy. This is something I've done for years. In your ad copy, you can offer a discount, whether that's 10%, 20%, 30%, buy one, get one free, anything like that. Or at minimum, make the last line of your ad copy say something like, click the button below to see this product, or click below to get yours now. Something like that. That's a real strong call to action to get people to click on the ad and buy the product. A discount always works great, but at minimum, you need a call to action in every ad copy. Thank you so much for watching today. I could literally just go all day on tips and tricks and strategies for effective Facebook ads. I love running Facebook ads. And I also want to invite you, if you currently have a t-shirt or apparel business online, or print-on-demand business, or you're thinking of starting one up, I want to invite you to go watch our free 60-minute masterclass at shirtschool.com. It's called How to Sell Thousands of T-shirts or Apparel Products Using the Shirt School System. I'm going to teach you our system at Shirt School for selling T-shirts and apparel products online. And we've uploaded this web class. It's on demand and it's completely free. So head over to shirtschool.com and watch that masterclass, and we'll see you next week.